Hi, good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn very nice poem. Its name is Basketful of Moonlight. Okay, first I will read this poem and you have to listen carefully. After that I will explain it. Okay, let's start now. Basketful of Moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight. Basketful or two basketful with seeds of moonlight. Look, this poem is translated by Sunil Sharma from the Dongri language. Here is a child who is requesting to the moon, who is requesting to the moon. He wants the moonlight from the moon. Why is he saying so? Look, from the city to my village on the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. I want to sow the seeds of moonlight both sides of the path which goes from the village to the city. That's why I want the moonlight. Again he says, the whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The villagers goes to the city for their daily work, and when they return, the path covers by the darkness. It is very tough condition he mentioned here. He mentions here. As my village is quite far. My village is so far from the city. That's why I want the moonlight. Again, he tells us the condition of the road. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart fits. Means the road is not good. There is no any facility to easily go and come. And also there is some danger. What danger? The snakes and scorpions always wander here and there. This is very difficult situation for the villagers. And again he says, when my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. When my father come to home and they go to work back, I always sleep. I can't talk them. I am unable to see them. I am unable to talk with them. This is very tough condition. Means he is expressing his regret here to not meeting his father. Again he requests to the moon, what he says, look, O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight on a loan. He wants loan from the moonlight. Of what? Moonlight. Basketful of moonlight. He wants the loan of basketful of moonlight. Why? See, I want to light the dark road so that my father returns early. I want to hear fairy tales and the stories from him. I want the loan basketful of moonlight because I will help taking the moonlight. I will help my father. I will light up all the roads. I will help my father to come home early. And when they will come home early, I will hear the fairy tales and story from him. That's why I want the loan of basketful moonlight. Again he requests to the moon. He says to the moon, O moon, give me a basketful of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Again and again he requests to the moon, give him its moonlight. Here it is quite clear. The Sunil Sharma poet showed us the feeling of the child, his imagination, his wish, his intention. Okay, so in this way, the child requests to the moon. Okay, I hope you will enjoy it. Watch this video again and again and learn. Okay, thank you.